Unit 28 Assignment 1. It's to do with arithmetic and geometric progressions or series. Particular ways in which a series of numbers can be produced, either an arithmetic form where you just add a constant term each time, or a geometric progression where you multiply up by a factor to get to the next term. It's a fairly standalone section, so I'm going to ask you to have a go at it on your own. If we look at the exercise list that I've just given you, which is here, then you'll see a series of questions that will help you towards this assignment. Exercise 60 and exercise 61. Note that there are some bold questions, and I had in mind when I designed this thing that I was going to ask for these particular questions in here, these required questions, before I gave out the assignment, but in the light of what's been going on over the last few weeks, then I won't do that. But those bold ones are the ones that are particularly helpful to you for the assignment, so they might be the ones to have a go at. Exercises 60, 61 and 62. If you go to the Maths at Lowestoft College site and you scan down the left hand side, you'll see towards the bottom a section on number sequences, and within there exercise 61, exercise 62 and exercise 63 solutions. So if you click on exercise 61, you'll see video clips of the solutions to those questions as you work through them. Okay, if I've given the solution so that then that question you can't, that's it. So what I've then done at the end in most cases is put an extra question at the end for you to have a go at. All right, if you go through those exercises, you will be able to do, I hope, that assignment. In addition to that, if you go to this site, then you'll actually, if we look at Unit 28 and then look at the lecture notes, I was saying to the group this morning that if you look at some of the lecture groups with some of the other groups I'm working with this year, the Year 2s, then because you're doing it all in 1 year, you can actually catch up on what they're doing and look at this lecture here, arithmetic and geometric progression. So if you watch that video, it might help you. And with the work-based learners for this year, again, number series will be the lecture to have a look at. So you can look at those lectures, you can try the questions in the exercise, the solutions are there, and then have a go at it. Once you've understood what's going on, the assignment itself, here it is, that you've got in front of you, is actually reasonably quick. There's only 2 tasks, there they are. The first task is on arithmetic progressions. The second task is on geometric progressions. Once you know what you've got to do, this one maybe will take a little bit longer. I would suggest it might take you up to an hour to do this one, between half an hour and an hour to do this one, and probably about quarter of an hour, 10 minutes to do this one. So it won't take you long once you know what you're doing. It's not a long assignment. Okay?